Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to study about how to draw a portrait by using a grid method. So grab the scale and the mechanical pencil. So we are going to make 2 cm dots on our A3 size paper or A4 size paper. You can use any grid maker application or a Photoshop for making grids on your reference image. Most of popular artists uses the grid method to draw their hyperrealistic work. We can use this method for completing our hyperrealistic work or commission work easily. Completing our outlines, we are going to move toward the outline session. So let's complete it.
So this is our reference image. We are going to draw Mr. Nawazuddin Siddiqui. So grab the 2B or B pencil for the outline. Connect points to points by using a reference image and it seems too easy. If you have drawn the perfect grids, then definitely you will get the perfect results.
So we have completed the first part of our portrait series. I hope you have drawn this outline carefully. So in second part we are going to draw the hairs of Nawazuddin Siddiqui. So stay tuned on my YouTube channel and subscribe it. We will meet at next video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye.